Okay, so as I mentioned, there are two different ways to use this, and I'm so excited. Like you can see right now, this is how my current system, this just kind of stays in here and it's kind of in the way. Excited to get rid of that, but I do want to show you the first way to go through and mount this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure you go through and dry off the surface where this is going to be going. I'm going to put it on the side here of my sink to make sure that it's kind of out of the way when we are using it. And the first method I'm going to show you is by using these two magnets right here. So you can see these go through and stick together, and it's a really strong magnet. What we're going to do is I'm going to take you underneath here, underneath the sink. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're basically going to stick one of the magnets on this side and one on the other side. So you can see underneath here, I'm going to stick one of the magnets right here, and they're going to stick to each other like this. So I'm going to try and get you the best angle of this I can here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to stick one magnet on the outside of the sink here. So there's a magnet right here, and then just one right over here. And you can see just like that, it is now installed. It's like staying right there. Then I can go through and grab the sponge, and that goes through and magnetizes on there. And you can see this magnet is very strong. I can basically like drop it close to it, and it goes through and catches it just like that. So that's the first way to install this. And it's kind of hard to see, but that's where the other magnet is at, just right underneath there on the other side of this sink.